Business Central gives accountants tools that help them transfer general ledger entries from two or more companies, subsidiaries, into a consolidated company. In the Consolidating from Company, each account can be assigned to an account in the Consolidating to Company. On the Consolidation tab of each account, one can assign the consolidation method, average, historic, closing, equity, or composite, or exclude from consolidating. When you are ready to do the consolidation, in the Consolidating Company, go to Business Units. Each Consolidating from Company will be set up as a business unit. The business unit can have a different base currency or consolidation percent. If the company is using a different currency, the gains or losses can be tracked to different GL accounts. Under exchange rates, one can view the rates that will be used or add the necessary rate. When ready to consolidate, select Consolidate from the toolbar. This can be run individually per Consolidating from Company. Note the document number is related to which company, or it can be run for all. This screen will show you which companies have not been consolidated before. The system will let you know if there were any issues or if it was successful. The entries per company, if processed that way, will show in the general ledger entries. The process can be run as many times as needed. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can drive efficiency that's scalable, sustainable, and built to last.